Hi, my name is Renee Klippenstein, and this is Team 7 Stock Track presentation for Dr. Shiroki. The Stock Track Challenge was a challenge where we got $100,000 to invest into the stock market over an 8-week period, starting September 14th and ending November 9th. I will be going over our investment philosophy and strategies. At the beginning of the challenge, our team decided to go a more conservative route because nobody on our team had ever invested into the stock market, so we were choosing companies such as Nike and Tesla. And then as the challenge progressed, so did our confidence in choosing stocks. So we did our research and we started to choose riskier investments, which we found to be profitable. We chose stocks such as Micron and Halozyme Therapeutics. We learned that the riskier the investment, the greater the return, but we also learned that the riskier the investment, we also had to watch the stocks a lot more because they do change a lot quicker than the bigger stocks out there.
So I will be going over our trading diary for the Stock Track project. Our main strategy, as Renee was talking about, was just kind of looking over things like the Yahoo Finance trending tickers as well as the Wall Street Journal. For the most part, we did do a lot of keeping an eye on Yahoo Finance. There was like a little trending sign at the bottom with different tickers that were trending that day, what were doing well, what weren't. But I'll be focusing on 3 specific tickers, AAOI, which was Applied Optoelectronics, NVDA, which was the NVIDIA Corporation, and Halo, which was the Halozyme Therapeutic Incorporation. So 2 performed really well for us. The first being the NVIDIA Corporation. We bought those at the very beginning of our project, and by the end of our project in November, it grew 23.5% from its original price. Halo as well did really well for us. It grew from about a small number. It didn't grow as high as we liked, but we did make an 8% profit off of the Halozyme product. One that underperformed was the AAOI ticker, which was Applied Optoelectronics. We bought it at about $70 or $71 for 30 shares. And by the end of it, we had the same 30 shares and we sold it for $38.18. So we took a huge loss on that one. But other than that, we were pretty timid when it came to our trading. I think just because of our inexperience and not really know what was going on. But I think overall we realized that we did hold on to some of our stocks for a little too long. We should have sold sooner. But overall, I think that we did a pretty good job.
Hello, my name is Robin, and in this part I will try to analyze the performance of our portfolio. So obviously our portfolio did pretty bad because it knew a 2.5% decrease on the period, while SPY knew a 4.8% growth during our investment period. So this doesn't mean we did bad all along the challenge, because we were ranked 5th during a couple of weeks in the Stock Track ranking, which is a very good position. If you would have to explain this loss of money, we would say that it's because of a bad diversification of the stock market. We did focus on 3 or 4 sectors, and we should have invested on much more sectors. Finally, we would say that this challenge was really helpful because now we know better the stock market and we would be more comfortable on investing money on it. And if somebody asks questions and has concerns about investing real money on the stock market, we would be real much comfortable answering it.